Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video on Quick Guide. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use text to speech on ChatGPT. At the moment, the only way to converse with the ChatGPT is using text that you can type inside the service UI to get your desired results. If you're wondering whether you could use the ChatGPT without needing to input text every time you want to ask a query, then you should be excited to know that there are indeed ways to use ChatGPT with your voice as the input, and in this video I will show you the way to get it done. Now, if you're looking for the easiest way to have a conversation with ChatGPT through your voice, then firstly you have to open your Chrome browser on a PC, and there on the URL you have to search for Talk to ChatGPT. And there from the search results you have to tap on the first link, Talk to ChatGPT, and there you have to tap on Add to Chrome to add this as your extension, and there again tap on Add Extension button. Now once this extension has been added, refresh your ChatGPT, and there you will find Talk to ChatGPT box. ChatGPT is the easiest way to have conversation with the ChatGPT through the voice. Now you have to simply tap on Start button, and there again tap on Allow button. Tell me about global warming.
Global warming refers to the long-term increase in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities.
By tapping on Start the button, it has been enabled the extension to interact with ChatGPT on your behalf. Now that's all it takes to use text to speech on ChatGPT. Hope you understand and found this video helpful. If it did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I will be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.